In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find attachments in Outlook. Finding a file buried in your inbox can feel overwhelming, but Outlook gives you a few quick tools to pull up messages that have attachments, whether they're traditional files or cloud links. I'll walk you through the options and give you tips so you can use whichever method feels most natural. Start by clicking or tapping in the search box at the top of Outlook. This activates Outlook search tools and tells the app where to look. Before you type, make sure you're in the part of your mailbox you care about, your inbox, a specific folder, or your entire mailbox, because the results will focus on your current selection. Next, type the keywords you remember. This could be the sender's name, a word that appears in the file, or even part of the file name. You don't have to type an exact match. Outlook is good at finding close results, and you can adjust your wording if the first try is too broad. Now, narrow your results to emails that actually include files. Look for the paperclip icon in the search tools, or choose the file suggestion that appears under the search box. This tells Outlook to show only messages with attachments, cutting out the noise and surfacing the emails that are most likely to have what you need. If you're already in your inbox, there's another quick filter you can use. Tap or click the filter control and select Has Files. Outlook will immediately show your mail that includes files or file links, groups, so you can skim and open the messages that matter. This view is helpful when you're browsing rather than searching for a specific keyword. You can also use a simple search command. Type Has Attachments, Yes, into the search box and press Enter. This displays all emails with attachments in your current folder or mailbox, depending on where you started your search. If you want to refine further, add your keywords alongside that command, like a sender's name or a term from the document. You don't need quotation marks, just the command and your words. That's it. Thanks for watching.